Polarimeter, the rotation of the plane polarized light by an optically active substance is measured with the help of an instrument called polarimeter. This is the diagrammatic representation of the polarimeter. First one, this is called the source or light. The light is unpolarized, that means it will vibrate in all direction. Therefore, a Nicol prism is kept. This is the Nicol prism. As a result, this light which is vibrating in all direction now vibrates only in one direction. This is passed through a solution. When it is passed through the solution, that light will be rotated to a certain angle. That is the diagram shown here. This is the original initial stage. This is after rotation. This rotation is analyzed by means of an IPS. Through that we can see the rotation and the angle can be measured from the polarimeter. It consists of a light source, usually sodium vapor lamp, a Nicol prism, a sample tube, analyzer. Analyzer means this one where we get the angle, and an IPS to see the rotation. The first Nicol prism is called polarizer. This Nicol prism is called polarizer, while the second one is referred as analyzer. This is called analyzer. The analyzer can be rotated along the prism axis and is provided with a scale to measure the angle of rotation. If the substance is optically active, it will rotate the plane polarized light. This angle is measured on the scale provided in the analyzer, and its observed angle of rotation is represented as alpha observed of the plane polarized light by the substance. Now, specific rotation. Specific rotation means the rotation of the light by an optically active substance depends upon A. The concentration of the solution, B. The length of the solution examined, C. The temperature of the experiment, D. The wavelength of the light used, and E. The nature of the solvent. For convenience, a term called specific rotation has been introduced. This is a physical constant and is the characteristic of the substance. It is defined as specific rotation is the number of observed degree of rotation caused by an optically active substance when the plane polarized light is passed through 1 decimeter of its solution having a concentration 1 gram per liter. The specific rotation of a substance is represented by alpha, and put a square bracket T and D, where T stands for the temperature and D for the D line of sodium light. It may be calculated by the following expression: alpha, put a square bracket T D, that is specific rotation, is equal to alpha observed, that is from the polarimeter, L into C, where L represents the length of the solution in decimeters and C is the concentration of the solution in gram per centimeter cubed. The direction of rotation of light may be specified by putting a plus for the clockwise rotation and minus for anti-clockwise rotation in the value of specific rotation.